Hi everyone, so I'm back with a digital kit to share with you. This is something that I've done and it's called Shabby Ledger. There is 10 pages. I will have this listed over on my coffee shop, and I'm also going to give 5 of these away free, so that 5 people can get one. That's going to be listed as a freebie for like 5 of them, also on my coffee shop. So I'll put that one, and then when they're gone, and then obviously they will be available to buy. So they are ledger backgrounds with florals on the top, floral designs. So we've got that one here. I've printed mine with a border, but I always print with a border, but it will be full size A4. So that's page 1, and then we've got page 2. I don't know how good the lighting is because it's getting dark now. What time is it? Oh, do you know, it's absolutely pitch black outside and it is like 8:30. Soon goes quick, doesn't it? All these, like the light nights. Another one here. I love the shabby feel. And then we have this one. So they're all various colours. There's stuff that will go with anything. Oh, that one's running the wrong way. So you can see the ledger up here. I love that design. And just looking, making sure they're all in the right way. Yeah, that is. And then we have that one. A little bit of green going on there. Now with these, like any digital kit really, you can do multiple things with them. They don't have to be pages. They can be tags, they can be pockets. You can, I don't know, you can do whatever you like with them. And we've got a little bit of green going on here. A little bit of like script there as well. And then this one is quite a light one. So that's all 10 of these in one kit for you. So go check out, excuse me, go check out the links below. And like I said, 5 will be free, and then when they're gone, they're gone. And then if you want to buy this, then you can get it on, you can still get it in my shop. Okay. Any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.